have a super easy recipe for you today. It's my Southern Candied Sweet Potatoes, and oh my God, are they delicious. It is great for a Sunday dinner or for the holidays. So I will have all of your ingredients listed below. So let's get started. So I've already peeled my sweet potatoes, and these are the Korean sweet potatoes. They're purple, but the inside looks like a regular potato, but they are very sweet and they are creamy, and I think it just gives a great little extra texture to my sweet potato dish. You do not have to use them. If not, then you can just double the quantities for the regular standard sweet potatoes. And I am cutting them about an inch and a half thick. And then I have a greased baking dish, and I tried to like arrange them so they look kind of neat and cute, but you know, it didn't quite all fit in there properly. So I just started throwing them on top. So now I'm adding in some butter, some salt, some cinnamon, and a little bit of orange juice and some ginger paste. That's my little twist. So I'm going to cover it with some foil. I have my oven already preheat to 350 degrees. I'm going to let this bake for about 30 minutes, and then I'm going to pull it out and put on the wonderful syrupy cream sauce. So this is some melted butter. I did also add in a little bit of the sweet potato juice, and I did pour some of it off because it would have been too much, and I want it to be nice and syrupy. So in my bowl, I have some hot butter, and to that I'm adding in sugar, brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and I'm also going to be adding in some vanilla bean paste or vanilla bean. I don't think I have it in a shot, but you definitely want to add that in there. Then I'm going to stir to combine. I also will pour this over the top, and I will not cover it this time while it's in the oven. And in between my 20 minutes that it's in the oven, I will take it out and I will baste this wonderful glaze that's at the bottom over the sweet potatoes, because I want them to all be covered in this wonderful syrupy. And then once you take it out of the oven, you want to let it sit for about 15 minutes. But anyway, you guys, they are out, they are done, they are delicious. You guys, you have to make it. Leave me your comments, and thank you as always. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.